jango nimwe turukwese
masigazo ka balance
hato asigazo ka balance ati ska balance kagendeka kwa tabu tindo bundi deru mbarehinde deru mbarasite igendo misho tumanya ngutshereze tubashaba kusasirwa ni nkigamba TV nkigamba ama radio tubashaba kusasirwa
Names, I'm called Lieutenant Richard Singoma of UPDF Engineers Brigade. I'm working as an acting project manager, Western Region MDA projects, that is the ministerial and other developmental associates. So, on behalf of Katete Bridge was given to us, and this is the letter of commencement. If you can see it. It is written that not to commence the works, and the start date was 6th January 2024, and we are given 1 month. Today is 6th, or the start date was 6th December, sorry, and today is 6th January. This is 1 month, and this is the letter. So I really thank very much the management of Mbarara City for the support they have given me during the construction of this bridge. I support the community for liaising with the engineers brigade without any problem. In most cases, when they are constructing a bridge like this, it is so risky. The accidents are so many, but we have really taken enough safety precautions that we have not lost anybody, not even an animal, because the community says Katete, the Tagembus, but no, this is not there for UPDF. So the project total sum cost was 364 million, sorry, 366 million, and we have done the work in 1 month, given to us on 6th December, and today is 6th of January. The bridge has been constructed to the standard to which it is supposed to be, because it is a timber deck bridge with a wearing course as a checked plate. The checked plate thickness provided has been sufficient enough than the one which was there, and it is able to carry the both small and medium load vehicles. I'm really informing the public on terms of the structural design of this bridge that it is not supposed to accommodate heavy trucks which exert a heavy axle load on the bridge. It will cause the plate and the timber deformation, hence deterioration of the bridge at faster. But for medium trucks like these forward vehicles, which can carry to a maximum of 20 tons, those ones can pass on the bridge successfully, because we have already used our backhoe to test the bridge, and we have found that there is not any structural defects formed here as per moment. We have restricted and warned heavy trucks. For example, I'm using an example of a Sino truck. A Sino truck have a heavy axle load, and when it is exerted on this bridge, it will lead to its deterioration as faster as possible. The measure we have put around as an engineer, we have put a restriction height as witnessed by this crossbar, and we have clearly stated on top it is not allowed for vehicles above 2.9 meters to use this bridge. So 100 meters away we have a warning signpost, heavy trucks not allowed, and also a narrow bridge in the front. So we don't expect those heavy trucks to pass here. Question from the public has been that how are we going to enforce that the security of these things we have put is guaranteed such that vandalization does not occur. So for us engineering, we do our part. And we have another part of the security and the leadership at the city. So the leadership of the city, together with the security organs, will formulate measures of making sure that this facility put on the ground has been safe against vandalization and other safeties. Otherwise, the bridge, today I'm handing over to the city. It is upon the city to decide on the day to hand over the bridge back to the users.
Amazini nitashuhudia boneka speaker mbara city kandi kansara wa Nyakayi Nyamutanga Katete ati nanguba gitsirona gakoba kandi chairperson wa speakers rizoba bijaha na honorable kansara wa workers w'abakozi na engineer kandi engineer kumanyeta engineer Insingoma wa engineering brigade rizoba abantu kabakwasumuru ubwo gukora uruti kandi tukatandika ibiro mukaga bya December twabagira ngo bashe bya December twabagira ngo barebe cengu ibiro mukaga bya January bayimba mara umurumo mwenu ni reportinga icyo kubanza ngo icamani bacimazira nijaha twijaha twashanga ngo ibirebe twabahire babikorire ombiro burubuo mwenu tukusima engineer mwe bari mnonga aba UPDF kandi tubinemu amasiko mingi kandi kureka icyo noreba nyotindi engineer twaita engineer na meya omurodi Kachebezi nawe na town clerk kwija bakasetaininga tukareba umuhando ogu ninga sorti ndoru rukozwe okutubene twenda akarukubura munuka then tureke ntwakatereza then ebikozwe then kutuamale twigorotino abo kubera izoba ogwashimukwa na handi ngoro ortindo akuruteka omusito horo twe oshimukwa no twereza ortindo izoba otinyowe namara mwe narohereza abasite then site ereba umuntu mogu yahire na bio chuzi ninga shembarira nico chikozirwa then tukora organization yo ku commissioninga ninga shiku ortindo abo kubortinda abantu noreza pichizi yaho ezindi ziyaho amamotoka abantu nebendero tini so ortino noreba niba atari batiroho noreba muniba ati hatutekayo kwasa ekintu kigenzireje UPDF kureka ntugaka tumensa abo bona abanyambara abanyisingiro abatanzania bakora bo muhando abantu bana bakosa ortindo ngoro ortindo turusheme kwandura baho za Sinotrack orortindo tuseme kwandura baho za rukurana ezekorire ncorebere tutirebe byoma ebyo nana echa yiguru kujangu motoka yona eri kushika ayiguru yaho tesheme kwane korashi tesheme kwane raba tesheme kwane kosortindo rwanga rumwenda sonje mainsangu okumaro ortindo abo kubategeriza ortindo nyigendwa oruhango orwa central government mwene site hati yakoze roro site yakoze roro hatesheme kuba nturebwa ngo twakora ekirabe nkirabaho emyaka ibaraze korora akwantu enda rukururije ruzaharu baje hariya noreba cyo twasigireho ortindo hango nuza kubona reto hariya nurujarti nurwambuka kongana bako barakore ruriya orunarwe orwasite rugumeho ndutwara abatuza mwe nabantu bambara hatachi tubentwe ntweshunga tubentura ortindo nito tubeta kubyama tubeta kubyama no mukansobo takusitama ngwasitamama abortindo konka turworwonka tunortindo rundi tukajangu tokozishe miliyoni bishatu nkaga na mukaga kajangu sente zirashaje ari miliyoni 5 ezo bishatu nkaga na mukaga zibakozise zirashaje haraka tinda kanda kakanye iteka rugangama akarukorosinga kuruka karugangama kakaza kakoba akona ko kakagwayo so tujangu tubene ko kwatuyirukanga kandi tusaba wa UPDF tumuntu bashaba ngwali numunini kumwazaho mukatano kumukakora twineyo rundi orwe kitebero ahansa urukwambuka rukuzo mutaso village orwe na roro kafa business zifiri mwen turebeche nyetabembezi bagenzi banje mwen ninsima site kanzo yit na ntugenda kugisima umurodi Kachebezi town clerk na kansarazi na administration kurebwa ngweki nacho cyahika kugira konka mwije turebe ortindo turwigure abantu barabeho batandike batambure bagende business zitandukanye ziterere dere ibindi bigenda mu misho
Odga muri mbarra n'ingano teka kwijo muri mbarra aba link suits beno buraro bw'amani munonga kandi benene bitanda birungi tibakakoma buraro benene bala nungi bozirime cyo kumye cyaburi muringo bene na hotelo halimu emere yaciraguju nangwa n'ekijungu kandi orende emere yo kutwaro waba ba link suits naco barachikora eco mujungu ari kweta ngo ni take away bene na sauna na steam ogesro na massage basa kubura bayicira kugira ngo bakube buherezobwe parking yabo ne yamani munonga kandi nimpango ebyo kwerinda byabo biri guruguru munonga kandi aba link suits barashango mu rumbo rwambara omuri Katete waruga parking ya boda ya St Mary's ori kwenda ku booking orabasa kurabera namba ze smeji 0 kaga na mwenda kandi orabasa kugamba na director wa link suits ori kurabera namba ze smeji 0 kaga nemwe 555 ogesro ne ya 0 kaga nemwe 555 twena katurukangira link suits kugira ngo tutungo ubuhereza burungi
Jessica wakazi kansara Mbarara City ngenda kwebaza umurimo ukozi gwe engineer Singoma kanache kwebaze abo kutukora omubire okwezi kumwe nyunka kansara cicira abakozi hatu wano yamusamisho kaya boda package hariya ukarebe parking roku ukaraba kozo kurentwambuka none ho kuraba harinda roko ruguru ntwambuka prices ningashi emihendo ya transport double engine norwo mutabuni bakweteye kunyura kusyaho oza kwambuka tware kumibiri hata mukozi wagakushubura wase kuraba kurya ne 15 mazime mirimo ebe yafiri na hati wano raba abariyo parkingire izo bandirenga tine cyakoze munyenda kwebaza umurimo gumukozire speed omwezi rumwe gonka mukarakiza abakozi kore ibintu byagira ki twakomisha ngwe no kugira ngo nsa kuyigwa rubuto bwa nyuma mu weekend kansoza kwija erugo fishare kandi twere imirimo yitu mwe bare munonga aba UPDF emirimo yanyu ajuke taka kwire mbako abigwiro so abembara bakuriya bakwetorora ingo mwe mukija murugira muhariya ibintu ngiye kora mwe mbambe biyokorera mutone n'ubudeya bakatembera hariya empere neza kanecendera nabemba bugura steel abo mu community mbabugura bijya higuru empere yendeza kucendera transport yone
Emmanuel nigo mazina umuvuji wa boda hano yambara City omuri Katete nyowe nanindo endohoze inabanyine okunareba rutindoro kubarukora no kubagira ngo rwahwa reba na hatwarushikaho turwemerireho nyo nanisha bangu bataka rukwasize kanso eyabire bahire tenda ba brigade ya engineering babanze batwikirize kanso ehereze brigade ya engineering nkekigezo mwene katesti batwikirize ito aba boda na no motoko buce tubanze turabeho kumareberebyo bishatu kurwa kubasa kusigara rusetingirege nko kubakugamba ngo barukora then baruhandi ingova kurwa kutera kuraka bakirya babanze bihe mu kuraka ezo bacarya akuba bamara kuruhandi ingova tukaruzaho tukararabaho rwabaganuka bono baba batacine rubanjani baba bagenzi ejo niyo inaninteza
murabire mu mbera ki uruguto urutindo rumparo takakozerwe
tunyigirizibwe munonga aho babiye batucinjire itwa baboda tunyigirizibwe munonga akubanga tubentuye tororanya mitanga kuzo mutawuni chonka bigumire akwane mihanda ya Nyamitanga yo yenyini tumuhanda go kwesimisa ngo bacingogure korabe kuriya oganyibwe so tunyigirizibwe abwe mihanda yenyima twahirwe baruhereze batakaruhandi injirova batwikirize batwereze biro bishatu tubanze tururabeho tukakase ngoro rutindo nurwo rubatukorera rukwire rutakatire kuraka bataciruko
point ya fin aba boda ni binji hano side za kuya ni binji n'abakuntu binji kubura bamaze kurwiguraho buri umwe nagaka stage yeye nshongeje leta
yes bamara kurwiguraho buri umwe nazagaruka stage yeye n'urwara rwa hana rutindo rurubeho rw'aba boda kwa side eje hariyo stage ya boda side yo busera yo stage ya boda so bamara kurwigura buri mbuzi negaruka nkondo yayo mbugu
nkaba muri kamwe mu mushaginge sente nyingi munonga ngo muganyirwemo ejo mpono kikamba uki
esente omuntu babe utubentu charginga sente nubire natwikiriza amakikiriza kuzikwereza kubanga kurabanya Katete kurabanya mitanga okazo mutawuni kikinenyo hamajuta gen 12 kandi kurga katete kuzo mutawona abantu batwereze 2,000 so ni 20 kubacaginga ho nyinji kugira ngo dusigaze
azina nibanyeta cebanda donoziyo district council nizwe kiregombora yabirere omukaso yisingiro kandi publicist wa NRM isingiro district nyenda kubanza kusima abambarira state kugira ngo bagerezeho batukora urutindo urubero tuboramonise munonga nkito abantu babirere abo kucwekansa tukuzabirere yitu twenda tubasima urutindo turarubonira konka kureba bateka mucyo kugira ngo bacungire motoka empango namaze manzi zicortindo konka warambarira bakereza state ntibakereka ngo behereza bwikenkai ombantu kandi wagira ngo abamwe bakore abamwe batakora tukabe kiri cyurungi bakoze urugo rutindo barakwe kwiza kureta sente bakakora rutindo ruhango kugira ngo nabe motoka empango nabo baganyirwa mu kigambo state abako wagira ngo atubakora benke bonka kandi abempango batakora aho no bagwera side